Welcome back to Ken's Fishing and Cooking channel. This is Ken. This is episode 6 of the Redneck boat build, or John boat build. So today we are going to finish up the electricity. This video is going to take a little longer than the others because I had to order a battery and a few other things to finish up. So while we're waiting on that, we're going to finish up what we can on the electricity and buttoning up the back of the boat. So this is what we've got so far on the electric. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put a bilge pump in. We're going to set it down here into the cavity and just have the hose go out somewhere. Haven't decided where yet, but we will need to hook that up to the electric system. So let's do that first. Alright, I got the bilge pump hooked up to the electricity. Alright, to run the bilge pump out, I'm going to use this here that I got off of a different job a couple of years ago. Alright, what I want to do is put some zip ties around this and zip tie it right there so that it won't move. That means we're going to have to drill some holes through that. So let's get the drill. Make a couple holes just like that. Put that in front of it. Let's get some zip ties. I've got that zip tied down there so it's not going to float away or anything. Let's use some of these zip ties to do some cable management up here. That's all we got to do under there for right this second. Alright, let's lay this down. After I laid it down, as you can see, I cut some more aluminum out and riveted it to that board that we have the electric on. Okay, and that will be hanging out there, and we'll just cut it off so that it could just drain out of the boat. Now next we're going to put some of the black stuff that we got here down over it for flooring as well. Alright, we will put some adhesive on there, and that's what it'll end up looking like. A little hose out the back. We should cut that hose off now. There's our drain hose.
We've been honest with each other about,
Okay, so I got the bilge pump hooked up there, cut off. We switched it around because it worked better that way. So let's test it out. So I got my 24 volt battery in yesterday and I stuck it on the charger to charge up overnight, and now it's at full charge. There it is. It's a lithium battery, so it's going to give out 24 volts, and it's a little bit bigger than a regular battery, but it weighs a lot less. So like a 50 amp hour marine battery weighs about the same as what this does. I'm not sure exactly the weight on it, but it's a lot less than you would expect for something that big. Really easy to set in there. So I set the battery right under the back chair there. So next we're going to put in these bump bars, and I've went ahead and attached them to the step down unit. This is a 120 watt DC to DC converter, 24 volt input with a 12 volt output, 10 amp max. So I think that's plenty. So we put the input from the battery, and the output goes to our other bus bars right there. And those bus bars will control the 12 volt system. And then where we mount these other bus bars that the 24 volts are coming in on, we will also put the trolling motor on as well. This is a 24 volt trolling motor, 86 pound thrust, so it will push this boat pretty good. So let's get that done. And now the other one. We got that bus bar on there and that bus bar on there. And we will put this Alright, we'll move the bus bars there so that the trolling motor lead could reach to them. Alright, I got it all wired up. Let's set this down here. Alright, we got the back all buttoned back up with the trolling motor on it. Now let's hook up the battery and test the electronics out. Alright, the trolling motor came on, so that's good. Full charge. Back is on at 12.2 volts. Let's hit the spotlight. I could tell it came on already. I see the light. So it's on. The directional lights, the night lights, that's on. And they're on. Third is the LED strip up front. I see that coming on. Fourth is the LED strip back here. Fifth is nothing. Sixth is the bilge pump, and it came on. All right, so that's going to do it for this episode of the Redneck John boat build. If you like what you've seen, please like and share, subscribe, comment, tell me what you would have done different, tell me what I've done wrong. On our next episode, I'll be putting lights to the trailer here so that we could take it to the river. Please like and subscribe if you like what you've seen, and we'll see you on the next fishing adventure.